it's Heidi with WTI, and this low profile 48-inch Hunter fan with remote control was a great choice for us as we renovated this room. It started as the dining room with the chandelier, but we had to turn it into a bedroom, so we wanted a fan. The full globe over the light bulbs gave it a nice, soft, diffused look, perfect for a bedroom. It's also lovely because it has a remote control, and that was very important for us because it was for somebody with limited mobility, and we wanted that person to be able to control the light as well as the fan with the remote control. And the remote control is so easy to use. It clearly shows light bulb, fan, and also has an up-down switch to increase the speed of the fan or to decrease the speed. Another important thing was that it was a neutral style, so that if we do end up changing the decoration of the room or even the use of the room, it's going to match whatever we change it to. The nice, quiet motor, as well as the stylish and sleek look of this 48-inch low-profile Hunter fan has made it a great choice in this room for our renovation. And that's my point of view.